Are your Adobe Director application failing because of the iml32 library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. To kick off the manual repair for iml32 library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the iml32 library, the Adobe Director, Shockwave, image library. It manages the unmanaged 32-bit pixel rendering and palette manipulation for interactive multimedia content created in the Director suite, essential for legacy educational software compatibility. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. iml32 is distributed specifically with Adobe/Director and should never be downloaded as a standalone file. Reinstall the latest official version of Adobe/Director to restore this dependency correctly through the official installer. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including iml32 library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for iml32 library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with iml32, library and PC health. If this fix repaired iml32 library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.